Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DeWalt Bluetooth speaker is not connecting to your phone or device, it can be frustrating, especially when everything seems powered on but the connection just won't go through. This issue can happen for several reasons, like pairing errors, connection limits, Bluetooth interference, or even simple settings that get overlooked. What makes it confusing is that the speaker may still appear in the Bluetooth list but refuses to connect properly. Instead of trying random fixes, the best approach is to reset the connection process and make sure both devices are syncing correctly. Once you follow the right steps, the speaker usually connects without any problem. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your DeWalt Bluetooth speaker and get it connected smoothly again. Try these. 1. Turn on the speaker and ensure it is in Bluetooth pairing mode. 2. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone and turn it back on to refresh connections. 3. Remove the speaker from your phone's paired device list. 4. Move closer to the speaker and avoid interference from other devices. 5. Select the speaker again from the available Bluetooth devices to reconnect. 6. Restart both the speaker and your phone if the connection still fails.